detailed, and it captured the fact that regional development agencies were meant to drive economic and social development at the regional level. Mm-hmm. When you look at it 32 years down the line, do you think this mandate has been achieved?
Well, I agree it has been achieved, because you've heard me mention some of the mega dams that this regional development have been able to do in this country, the Takwal Dam, the Masinga, and of course the Kebere Dam, that not only on the regional basis of spurring the socio-economic development, but also spur the economic growth of the entire country in terms of the energy generation. But I want to believe that if you look at the cost and even the facility that we are in today, this is Mwananchi Cottage, hotel that has quite a number of facilities in terms of conferencing, and it's going to really help this region also grow in terms of MICE, which we call is meeting, incentives, and events in this area. But beyond this is looking at some of the projects that we have, for example, the Boche Dam that is just coming up. And just thinking about how much a dam and the vision behind it, when the Coast Development Authority began thinking about this Boche Dam, they looked at the towns of Mombasa and looked at the towns of Kilifi, and they realized in future we'll be in a place where we cannot provide water for these two mega cities that are coming up. Again, if you look at the Boche factory that we have, it is actually enhancing value chain, because it's a mango factory, and basically for us to have that mango factory there is actually the whole agenda of assisting the communities to begin growing mangoes where they can sell to the factory, and of course the factory of course continues with the value chain. And so we are seeing a lot of change in terms of improvement in the livelihoods of these people. People were actually doing livestock, also now doing both livestock and doing a little bit of farming of fruit trees that do not need a lot of attention, yet they have economical benefit to the family. And so for me, I think they are really transformative, and I believe they have achieved, they are still achieving. Mm-hmm. We have not reached there, but they are still achieving the agenda, mm-hmm, and the purpose that they came into existence for. Mm-hmm.